Today I stand before you at the heart of Drive to Vilbus Healthcare's 135-year legacy. Our Somerset, Pennsylvania facility, where we've been manufacturing the world's leading respiratory equipment for generations. Over the past 2 decades, Drive has evolved into a global presence that now serves more than 100 countries with manufacturing facilities on 3 continents, 8 worldwide distribution centers, and a global workforce of more than 2,000 talented individuals. This expansive reach is not just a testament to our tremendous growth, but to how we've leveraged worldwide commercial, clinical, and engineering expertise to produce unparalleled products and partnerships. In Somerset, we host the world's best team of respiratory engineers, renowned for their expertise in designing oxygen concentrators and other equipment that is vital to caring for patients during the COVID-19 pandemic and continues to help thousands of people breathe each day. In Europe, we've leveraged the expertise of our German and French teams to engineer our innovative bath lifts and patient lifts. Meanwhile, in the United Kingdom, our healthcare experts and design teams work together to produce hospital and home care beds and positioning products for our Inspired by Drive pediatric rehabilitation line. This global network doesn't just give us the best medical equipment in the world, it also gives us resilience. Self-manufactured products constitute approximately 1/4 of our business, ensuring a dependable supply chain. Our strong North American and European footprint sets us apart from other DME suppliers and gives us the agility to swiftly navigate changes in the marketplace. With a global network of warehouses and distribution centers, we are equipped to efficiently meet the demands of our growing customer base. At the heart of these endeavors is Drive's mission: to lead the world with innovative healthcare solutions that enhance lives. Drawing on our dedicated team's worldwide footprint, we are poised to continue making a meaningful impact on global healthcare for years to come. Thank you for joining Drive on this journey. Together, let's shape a healthier future for the world.